Hardscape.com. We are at another project in Boca Raton, Florida, where the builder chose to use our 3cm 8x32 plank, our Rivera plank. Beautiful product, 3cm thick. The only product in a plank on this thickness, on this size, that can be used on a driveway. It is a gorgeous product, and it just gives a completely different look to the entire property. It's unique, it's durable, and anti-slip. A lot of people ask if this is slippery. Because it's a porcelain, it is not slippery. It is resistant to freeze thaw if you want to use this on colder climates. They're doing a dry lay install. I wanted to bring in here. You can see our spacers right there. Hope you can see it. It's an 1/8 of an inch spacer. They will compact this with polymeric sand after all the cuts are in, and this house will have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. 8x32, 3cm, 1 1/8 inches, close to 1 1/4 inches thick. Nominal 1 1/8 inches. It's being installed by S&S Pavers, and the product is a Hardscape.com product. It's an exclusive product, and our distributors will be offering this product throughout North America: California, Chicago, Toronto, New Jersey, New York, and in Florida we have locations now in Jacksonville, Fort Myers, Tampa, Orlando, Jupiter, and Boca Raton. We'll be opening up new locations very soon. We'll let all of our followers on Facebook and Instagram know. And more materials are coming in. We're working with 5 new designs that will be ready in about 2 months. We'll bring all the innovation that we are creating for the hardscape industry to all of you. Again, Hardscape.com with our 8x32 3cm wood plank and a dry lay install in Boca Raton, Florida.